Here we are in Fort Pierce, Florida, Harbortown Marina, Whitaker North Boatyard. We're launching the 64-foot Grand Alaskan motor yacht, and we will be taking this north to the Chesapeake Bay in a week or so. So I invite you to follow us on Facebook and on our AskCaptainChris.com YouTube channel so we can report to you every day where we are and what we're doing. A little bit about the boat. You can see it's twin engines, big Caterpillars, 2 Northern Light generators, 20 kilowatts each, large dinghy on the roof, flybridge motor yacht, and also a Portuguese bridge on the bow in front of the pilot house. So if you want to know more about Grand Alaskans, Grand Banks, Outer Reefs, Krogan Expresses, Katie Krogans, Selines, or even Nordhavens, ask Captain Chris.